Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about Molekit clothing reviews of United States. Is Molekit legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. Now let's talk about this website. So, Mulik It is a clothing fashion store. Over this website, you can see that they are offering this type of clothing items with their pricing, and they are also giving the discount on the product like 22% off, 34% off and all. And if I'll talk about the payment methods, for that let's scroll down. As you can see here, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, these payment methods are available. We can also check the payment methods in this company info section. Let's click on this payment methods. As you can see here, so many payment methods are available. Like I said, Visa, MasterCard and all, right? Okay. Now if I'll talk about the shipping time, for that we need to click here in the customer service. Okay, here inside the delivery section, shipping timing is available. As you can see here, 5 to 12 days. It is area wise, like North America, Europe, it is 5 to 12 days shipping time, and in other area like South America and Asia, it is 7 to 12 days. Okay, now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So first point is to check the HTTPS protocol. If the website contains the HTTPS protocol, means that website is safe. So let's see here. You can see it contains HTTPS, means this website is safe. The next point is to check is the website age, like it is a new website or old website. So friends, this website is registered on 21 September 2020. This is new website. Okay. The next thing is to check the About Us page. So let's just scroll down. Again, inside the company info, you can see this About Us section is available. So here about us, I mean the company details are given here. Okay, and the price and payment I have already told you. The next thing is to check the contact address, like physical address is present or not. So for that, let's click on this customer service, and inside this contact us page. Okay, so here as you can see down here, they have not mentioned any physical address. Okay, okay, the physical address is not given here. And the next point is to check the contact email ID, and email should be of its domain. Okay, so they have provided the email service@molekit.com. So it contain its email, I mean it contain its domain molekit.com. Okay, the next point is to check the social media presence, like check if there are any social media icons are active or not. So for this website I found Facebook is active. Okay, and the next thing here is to check the return and refund policy. So for that, again go to customer service, and you can see here return and exchange page. Over this page you can see they have 30 days return policy. Okay, and please guys do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. Okay, now let's talk about the next point we need to check, that is the customer review. So this is very new website. I didn't found much reviews about this website on Google. I found some in Facebook, and those were negative feedback, I mean negative reviews about this website. The next thing is to check the website content quality, like content detailing, spelling errors and product specification. So this website is 40% plagiarized. Okay, now on the basis of these checkpoints, if you are finding many negative, claim this website is a scam. If you are not getting many negative, then claim it like it. I found this website possibly a scam because this is too new website and not much data is available on Google. Okay, and there are a lot of negative reviews about this website. So please guys, do your own research before investing your money on this website, and please comment your experience over this website. And guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.